Welcome to Kidibuds Preschool. Kidibuds Preschool provides fun learning and fantastic facilities with a dedicated staff and a proven curricula. Established with the goal of making early learning enjoyable for children, Kidibuds offer a secure, stimulating environment in which kids can develop and grow. We use both Montessori and Kermatic integrated curriculums to help the children reach their fullest potential. This is the content of the book. The director has said children at Kidibuds Preschool are treated with respect and encouragement in a warm environment. Children experience playful and developmentally appropriately learning each day. Children in preschool experience hand-on activities, develop social activities, and they test high on their test on high school days. As parents, you are making a valuable investment in your child's life by enrolling your kid to help double your investment. Let us be part of child development. Principal has said, staff at Kidibuds are passionate about delivering the school's objective of nurturing our young generation. Our fully trained teachers understand and respond to the individual needs of each child. Staff at Kidibuds are committed to seeing and helping develop the potential for success in every student. Learning and development at Kidibuds stretches beyond the typical reaches of a classroom. Our approach promotes the holistic growth of children in a safe and comfortable environment that gives parents absolute peace of mind and allows kids to explore their creativity and passion. Our staff are caring, experienced, and skilled at identifying and responding to the individual's needs to each child. Kidibuds teaching staff are graduates in education and disciplines related to early childhood education. We also have in-house specialists who teach dance, drama, arts, cookery, sports and fitness. As well as there is a doctor to the child's nutrition. Many of our assistant teachers also hold degrees, Montessori certifications, and have long-standing careers in early childhood education. At Kidibuds, our objective is to nurture our young generation. While academics are a significant part of the process, academics alone are not enough to raise the well-rounded, caring, multi-talented, social perspective individuals who are equipped to change the world. The Kidibuds Early Childhood Program is based on development of the whole child. The 5 key development streams are cognitive, emotional, social, language, and physical development. Early childhood research indicates that play is essential in a child's learning and development. Guide purposefully play aids is subject-themed learning, sparks creativity, and encourages imagination. Our teachers scaffold and support a broad range of active learning opportunities. Children construct their own knowledge about themselves, others, and the world around them by practicing developmentally appropriate skills, making choices about their individual learning, and communicating their understanding through healthy relationships with peers and adults. As children enter preschool, they become able to focus on tasks with specific goals. Children also strengthen the ability to conduct mental tasks and develop self-awareness. Through subject-themed guided play, children develop the ability to focus on one thing for an extended period of time. They become able to recall information and process it in the present. So this graph shows how it is developed with the time. This is how we plan our year. Let's begin the first term. January. Let's embrace little buds fondly. Under this theme, we celebrate our newcomers and we do our lessons. To add to this, we celebrate Global Family Day by making family cards. We teach them to achieve their goals by telling them their abilities as well as we celebrate Louis Braille. After that, we do craft activities for Thai Pongal Day and tell them how important this day is to Hindus. And we will hold a parents' meeting on 26th January. February. Let's us celebrate freedom. We celebrate our freedom and let them feel like heroes. After that, we celebrate International Mother Language Day. It will give teachers the opportunity to reflect on the importance of celebrating linguistic diversities and embedding the many languages spoken in the classroom into more and more activities on a regular basis. On this month, there is a special day. We will talk about that lesson too. March. Let's be healthy. Under this theme, we teach how to be healthy. World Wildlife Day is celebrated globally on 3rd March and is closely aligned with the Sustainable Development Goal 12, that is life without water, which focuses on marine species and to highlight the problems, critical issues of marine wildlife to our everyday life. We will conduct a kids fair for developing social and emotional development. April. In April, we celebrate our new year. Under this theme, we seek our dear and near ones. Good Friday commemorates the death of Jesus on Calvary, the site just outside the walls of Jerusalem, where Jesus was crucified. The World Health Organization chooses to highlight a special theme current in the wellness and medical world. We celebrate it on 7th April. Now we start the second term. May. Under the theme of Happy Vesak, we celebrate who helped us. We teach them how important of mother's love. We celebrate Vesak as it our one of the most important festivals. June. Happy Person. Under this theme, we teach these lessons. We creating a party for Global Day of Parents and we teach them a role of father in family. As we live in an island, we have to get to know about oceans and teach them the World Ocean Day. July. Under theme of Feel the Environment, we celebrate July 1st is all about getting a grin out of your best friend, sharing a laugh on social media, and appreciating the stand-up comics who have left us in stretches for decades. Eid al-Adha is an Islamic festival to commemorate the willingness of Ibrahim to follow Allah's commands to sacrifice his son. Muslims around the world observe this event. We will hold a parents' meeting. August. Under the theme of Tour Bring Us Happiness, we celebrate August 1st for mountain climbing as an adventure. The International Day of World Indigenous People is observed on 9th August each year to raise awareness and protect the rights of the world's indigenous population. After that, there is one of the most important Hindu festivals, Krishna Jayanti. It's the birthday of Lord Krishna, the eighth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, who gave the vital message of the Bhagavad Gita, the guiding principles for every Hindu. Now we start the last term of the year. September. Enjoy the wonder of climates. Under theme, we do our lessons. We celebrate World Literacy Day, which helps us to develop our language and literacy. Ganesh Chaturthi is a 10-day festival held in honor of the Hindu god of intelligence, Ganesh, the god that helps kids. We will hold a parents' meeting on the 22nd of September. October. Under the theme of Safety First, we celebrate Children's Day and Teachers' Day. As we go on the last day of the month, we celebrate Halloween. It is undoubtedly the creepiest, most ghostly holiday of them all. November. Under the theme of We Know Our Skills, birds are participating show their fine colors to their parents. In this month, we celebrate World Vegan Day with thousands of delicious vegan recipes. Deepavali is known as Festival of Lights. It's usually celebrated on November by the Hindu religions. We celebrate the festival by making footprints crafts and making lanterns. We celebrate World Kindness Day, which is related to our lessons in the month of November. December. Under the theme of I Hear Jingle Bells, we will show a carol concert on the 10th of December. The last Poya Day of the year is Uduwa Poya Day. This day is considered by Sri Lankan Buddhists to be an special significance because Emperor Dharmashoka's daughter, Teri Sanghamitta, brought with her and her retinue a Bosepale to Anuradhapura from Buddha Gaya. Christmas Day is celebrated on 25th December every year to remember the birth of Jesus Christ, who Christians believe in the Son of God. For your preschooler, time, materials and space to be creative are very important. Preschoolers like to be spontaneous in their creative play, so it is good to follow your child's lead. But there will also be times when your child wants you to be more involved in their creative activities by themselves. Thus, by being actively involved, your child will develop skills and understanding. It is good to show your child that there is more than one way to do something. For example, there is more than one way to draw a picture of a person, build a sandcastle, or play a drum. Let's get children to know that they can develop their own ideas. Parents play an important role at Kiribati Preschool. From the onset, our parents have supported us tremendously by attending school-wide events, working closely with teachers to continue classroom learning and values outside of schools, forming strong, welcoming relationships with other parents and providing constructive feedback to the school. The relationship that we have with our parents is invaluable, and Kiribati is privileged to have such a wonderful parent community. We hope that you have enjoyed our video and you found the information you are looking for. Please feel free to contact the school directly with inquiries you may have. Thank you.